First, lift the vehicle with a jack. Use jack stands for safety. Always place the jack stand in the correct spot. Loosening the wheel nuts before lifting will make it easier to remove the wheel. It stops the wheel from spinning along with the wheel brace. Now remove the wheel. After removing the wheel, you can check the condition of the brake pads. This piece of thin metal plate almost touches the disc. It means my brake pad is worn out. If it is touched, a metal scrape noise will come. That is the sign that the brake has worn out. The caliper is fixed by 2 bolts. By removing one bolt, we can rotate the caliper around the attached bolt and open it. Now the brake pads can be removed very easily. Remove the pad springs and the old pads next. Check that the new pad matches the old pad before installation. Fit the thin metal shim to the pad. Now attach the pads to the locks correctly. Since the new pads are thicker than the worn old pads, the caliper cannot close. To close the caliper, the brake piston must be pushed back. I use a simple nut and bolt method to push the piston back. I have made a simple device that drills a hole in a small piece of flat iron and taps it for a bolt. Old brake pads and pieces of wood are used to fill the space between the caliper and the piston. By tightening the bolt, the piston is pushed back. After the piston is moved back far enough, the caliper can be installed. In this case, the brake oil level in the reserve tank may rise. Reduce brake oil before oil runs out. The pad release springs may have broken over time. If so, install new springs. The release spring keeps the brake pad pushed away from the brake rotor when the brake is not applied. Loss of springs will cause the brakes to heat up and wear more quickly. Now close the caliper. Attach the caliper bolt. Don't use open wrench for this. An open wrench can damage the bolt head by slipping. I use T-handle to tighten the bolt. After installation, check if the hub can spin freely. If no problem, then install the wheel. Lower the jack. Tighten the wheel nuts again. Now this is ready for test ride. It's perfect. Goodbye and see you later. Thanks for watching.